Okay, good morning everybody. I'm on my way to the stadium to pick up my suit from last Saturday. Because I have to go Friday somewhere else. I normally have my suit at home, but I left it there so I can clean something up in the house. So now I got space again. So that's what I'm doing right now. So see you in a bit. So we're in the club right now. I'm going to pick up my suit. Gym, nobody's there. Here they have a break. Nobody's here. It's getting dark. So I'm back. Got my suit. So I just picked up my suit. Now we're on our way back home. So see you in a bit. The players are going to the gym today. So funny. So in a few months or so, they're 2 meters high and 2 meters wide. Okay, it's not freezing anymore. At least not today, and I hope it's not going to get colder anymore. Only I hope it's getting warmer. I only hope it's getting warmer. There's a train next to me. Almost on top. Almost. That's a German train. Oh yeah. Don't know what's in there. I'm on top of the hill. And around there is our new stadium coming. I don't know if you can hear me. To change gears. It's better. This is a long train again. Long train running. By the Eagles. My hands are getting cold. See you in a bit. Later, peace out, and bye-bye.